Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Labang, the remote office mate, and Happy New Year to everyone. From the previous video, we already transferred the investment in bond, this one. And we already done transferring the balance, all the asset account from here to here. So for today's video, it's all about liabilities. We will be transferring the accounts payable, insurance payable, and credit card. For accrued interest payable and also this one, we will make another video for this. So let's start. Let's go here. Let's go to expense, then vendor. As you can see here, we already have 4 vendors. We already encode this when we setting up the inventory account. Just to show you, let's go there. Click sale. Then product and services. There you go, then edit. Let's go down. This one, prepared vendor. We already set up this here. That's why we already have these 4 vendors here. So here in the trial balance, the total amount is 1,354,000. And I have a breakdown for this here in the sales tab. Let's go down. This one, 1,354,000. Let's check. Yes, it's correct. I find 3 ways how to encode this amount. The first method, we will click here. Then let's copy the amount, paste it here. Then here, we will debit this to owner's capital. This one. As you can see, it's a bill. We don't need to create a bill just to encode this opening balance for this vendor. But you can use this method, but I will not be saving this one for this video. The second method is to create a new vendor. Click here. Then let's copy this one and paste it here. Let's go down. Let's change the date and the amount. If I will save this one, this will also create a bill. So I will not save this one, and let's go to the third method, which is in the journal entry. Let's cancel this one. Let's click here, then click new, then journal entry. And we will be using the previous journal entry. Let's use this one. And we will just continue it here. Actually, we can do a journal entry to transfer all the opening balance of all accounts here in the trial balance, except for the merchandise inventory, because we cannot encode here the initial quantity on hand. So click here, then accounts payable, then the amount, paste it here. Then here is the vendor name, Acer. Then next, accounts payable again, then the amount, paste it here, and this time this is Dell. And accounts payable again, and the amount, paste it here, and here Apple, this one. Then next, accounts payable again, then the amount, and Lenovo. Then this one, accounts payable again, then here, paste it here, click new, then let's just skip the other details here for this video. Don't forget here, as you can see, it's a customer. Then click here, then we'll change this to vendor. Let's go down. Let's change the date. Then here, we will just leave it 0. Then save. So, and the amount. So next, accounts payable again, then the vendor name, paste it here, add new, change it to vendor, then go down and change the date, and then save, and the amount. So next, accounts payable again, and here, paste it here, then add new, change it to vendor. Let's go down, let's change the date and the amount. And the last one, accounts payable again, copy this one and then paste it here, add new, click here, vendor. Let's go down and change the date, paste it here, then save, and the amount. Then let's debit this to owner's capital. Owners, this one. Let's check the amount. Yes, it's correct. Then save. Let's go to balance sheet. Refresh. Let's go down. There you go. Let's check the amount. Yes, it's correct. Let's go to trial balance. Let's go down and check the amount also. Yes, it's correct. So we're done for the accounts payable. Let's go here and we have now here all the vendors account and the amounts. So here, let's click this one. So next is the insurance. Let's go to trial balance. Oh, we don't have the amount. So let's go to credit card. Let's go here. Let's go to chart of account. Then click new. We have it here, credit card. Then here, credit card, and here, credit card also. And we will name this MasterCard. MasterCard instead of credit card. Then here, starting date. Click here, other date. Then paste the date here and the amount. This one. Then save. Let's go to balance sheet, refresh. Let's go down. There you go. As you can see, it's opening balance equity. We will reclass this one to owner's capital. Let's go back to chart of account. Let's type here MasterCard. Then click here. Then we will change this to owner's capital. This one. Then save. Let's go back to balance sheet. Then refresh. Let's go down. There you go. We already reclass it to owner's capital. And here is the MasterCard and the accounts payable. So that's it for today's video. I will end this again. So if you learned something from it, kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video to your friends who wants to learn bookkeeping, especially QuickBooks, and hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. So for our next video, it will be accrued interest payable and also this one. So thanks for watching and Happy New Year to all, and see you on the next video. Goodbye.